Vivianne has hiccups for the first time. Well, outside the womb. Oh yeah. You're still the cutest baby. Oh, bless you. Somebody's getting hungry again. We're going to go for a little walk around the halls first, though. Aren't we? With the hiccups. Sunlight, yes. It's our beautiful view out the hospital. And our beautiful view inside the hospital. Yeah. She's been sleeping all day. Open up the windows and trying to get her to wake up a little bit more. Yeah. Alright. I'm doing much better. I got a long nap. And yeah, I feel good. I'm gonna go take a walk. Say bye-bye, Vivianne.